Yeah, thanks, Matt. Yeah, actually, I brought two very interesting charts where probably everybody of you have seen already. And at the latest, then you can see that, yeah, standard reporting isn't that great, especially in those times currently. We were faced with this issue actually quite in the beginning of our company history. On the left hand side, you see an asset allocation chart of a fixed income fund. Of course, clearly, bonds make up for a majority of the investments you do in that fixed income bond. So this chart is basically completely useless for investors because they probably know that a fixed income fund is mainly invested in bonds. On the other hand, I also brought a country allocation chart here, and of course those numbers are fictive, but I saw them quite regularly. And as you see from the first view, it doesn't look that suspicious, but when you look in detail there, you see that in this case, 65% of your country allocation is based in Jersey. I mean, the country allocation should usually show the risk of a fund when it comes to local risks. And as we all know, that Jersey is, of course, an offshore tax haven where usually issuers, for example, found SPVs to issue certain bonds for specific financial reasons, but it does not reflect at all the country risk. So the issuer or the main operation focus of those companies issuing in Jersey is definitely or for sure not Jersey. So this country allocation chart is also very misleading and does not add any value to the investors. One other allocation chart, which actually we worked on from the very beginning on, is the sector allocation chart. You've probably seen it either with equity or with bond funds. And there it's very funny that the standard classification of assets is something which most of the fund managers don't even agree. And I bet that there are funds where even the fund managers themselves cannot agree on the sector which one issuer has. So it is a very complex thing, and especially it completely depends on your strategy, what you want to show, and it brings up additional structural problems as well. And I think, Mark, you have very good examples of some very fundamental problems when it comes to allocation.